You need an ankle brace that takes photographs that she can see. Oh, I'm talking sense here. You know, you just can't say, well, forgive me. No, brother. Why are you late? I mean, the questions they ask you are all trust questions. Why'd you come home late? Stop blaming people for not trusting you. You destroyed the account. And I learned something through my experience with people. It takes longer to rebuild it than to destroy it. And it takes longer to rebuild it than to build it. Take a deep breath. You need some air. Leaders trust account. Read this one for me. Go. The leader must be constantly aware that a trust account, which may have been built over 30 or 40 years, could be canceled in 30 or 40 seconds. And that's why the leader refused to step down.